Hello everybody, this is Italy. On this guide I'm going to show you 3 layers of cache to clean and see the results of the changes that you made on your website very fast and very accurate. Okay, so in order to clean the 3 layers of cache that you have on your website, you have first of all to activate your cache plugin, and as you can see here, I have WP Rocket and I can clear and preload the cache. This is the first layer. When I clear this, I can see this is the first layer that I'm clearing of the cache, and it is done. And if I still don't see the changes that I've made, I have another layer that I can clean on Cloudflare. This is, again, if you use CDN like Cloudflare that allows you to purge cache, you can do it easily. Right here, below the caching tab, here on configurations, you can purge everything, and when I click on this, this is the second layer I'm cleaning of the cache. It will allow up to 30 seconds to clear all the cache from the CDN, which is Cloudflare. This is the second layer. Now, if I still don't see the changes, I can clear the third layer, which is on my server. This is the website that is managed by Cloudways, and I manage it on this premium server. I can look for it right here on the name of the server, and on managed services, I can clear the cache and push it right here. The varnish is the layer of the server cache, and I can purge it right here and clear this layer as well. Now when I click on this, it will purge my cache, and then if I still don't see the changes, this is the third layer. I might have a problem which is different from the cache, and it's maybe on the theme or on the plugin of the WordPress site, or it's on my Chrome browser and I need to clear the history and cookies right there. And if it still doesn't work, of course it's another problem, and I can look on the logs on my servers to search for the problem and fix it by the logs I can see. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to clean all those 3 layers of cache. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below when I will comment. And on the first comment, I put in the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.